Welcome to the Big Learning Machine, where we build innovators. We're a team of high-tech educators, but we're parents too, and we want our kids to be smart, happy, and successful in this fast-changing world. Did you know the US is ranked 14th in education, 20th in science, and 27th in math? Well, let's do something about it. After 20 years of research and development, we at Big Learning Machine have created a next-generation STEM learning system that readies children for a competitive world with computer-led, hands-on projects that sharpen minds and build confidence. Unlike most snap-together science toys, when you buy a Big Learning Machine kit, you get real tools and real materials that teach real math and real science. We guide kids safely with Ivy, our incremental video instructor. Ivy leads, entertains, and teaches something valuable every step of the way. Breaking the boundaries of online video instruction, Ivy responds to the learner's needs moment to moment. Big Learning Machine is the STEM kit that comes with an amazing teacher inside. With tens of thousands of successful students and 2 decades of innovation under our belts, Big Learning Machine is moving forward, looking for like-minded educators, parents, students, and partners. Join us